New tonight, a New Mexico judge put a pause on the state's incoming rule to force all public schools to have a 180-day school year, as many rural districts fight that rule. Tonight, the judge said the PED did not have the authority to implement the rule and that it's the job of the legislature. News 13's Marilyn Upchurch has the details from today's court battle.
A Southeast New Mexico judge put a temporary restraining order on the Public Education Department's new rules last week. Today, educators fighting the state battled back against the PED's attorneys, who say the judge shouldn't block the new rules just because there's heated opposition.
Just because there was substantial public comment about this rule should not be something that the court views as the opinion of the public.
The lawsuit at the center of this court battle was brought by the New Mexico School Superintendents Association. That group in part believes the PED's new school year rules will put a burden on families and teachers, especially in rural areas with 4-day school weeks. PED says their new rules have academic benchmarks that allow for the continuation of 4-day school weeks, like if the school has an overall reading proficiency level of 80% or more. But those behind the lawsuit claim the rules aren't realistic for most districts and could cost millions of extra dollars to enact.
In your review of statutes, legislative authority, budgeting requirements, have you seen where the legislature has appropriated any additional funds for this extended calendar?
I have not seen any additional funds for this extended calendar.
Those behind the lawsuit also argue that the PED isn't giving enough time for districts to make new budgets and school calendars. The PED claims there are exemptions for the new deadlines. The state is hoping to put the 180-day school year rule in place by this fall. Marilyn Upchurch, KRQE, News 13.
Tonight's decision prevents the rule from going into effect until a final decision is made on whether it's legal.